Hey guys, B-RiceSmooth here with a knife collection video, and these are just my folding knives. Now, this video's going to be kind of quick, hopefully. I'm going to go through the knives really as fast as I can, and so let's get started. Now, the knives on the right around here, I got at a gun and knife show, so I don't really know the names of them. Alright. This is the Gerber Bear Grylls sheath knife. The Kershaw Tension, which I just did a review on it. It's a really good knife. Benchmade Mini Barrage. Gerber Remix. CRKT Drifter. And this is the Jeep Chrysler 2007 knife, I don't even know. Which I have paracord on it. This is the Kershaw Shuffle. Boker Subcom F. This is a really good knife, I like it. And I just put this paracord on. Boker credit card knife. It's a very thin knife. The Humvee Rescue Recon 6 knife, I think it is. Something like that. The Kershaw Select Fire. Which it has like screwdriver stuff and flatheads. The Gerber Mate, Gerber Gator Mate, that's what it is. M-Tech Ballistic EMT Rescue Knife, I think it is. Tac Force TF707, I think. And there's different colors of this one too. Wartech Tactical Knife. I don't know. This is one of those that I got at the gun and knife show, so I'm not too sure. I just kind of saw it and bought it. This is the Gerber something. I don't even know this one either. M-Tech Ballistic Knife. Not too sure about this one either. Sorry about that, guys, but I know this is made by Jaguar, but I just don't know the name either. Pretty much the rest of the knives I don't know the name of, but I'm still going to show them. This one's Jaguar. This one doesn't even say anything on it, so I have no idea. And this one has deer on it. This one has deer on it, and it looks like a little toy or something. And it's made by Fighter. Never heard of that one before. And then U.S. Border Patrol knife. Let me show that one more time. It's just a circle coin thing, and then bam. Alright. So that is pretty much it. If you guys want any reviews or anything like that on these knives, just let me know.